Hey, what's up, bros? It's Fonte here. I hope everybody's safe and healthy. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to install and use PETAL Maps on your Huawei Watch 3 smartwatches. But before we started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And this is important, please visit my website fontech.cz for more mobile content. Thank you so much. And now, let's go. This is my Huawei Watch 3 Pro smartwatches. And all you have to do if you want to use PETAL Maps is push the crown right here, search for Huawei App Gallery right here, and type PETAL confirm. And as you can see, this is the PETAL Maps application. So now I have to tap on it and tap on install. And the PETAL Maps is installing on my Huawei Watch 3 Pro smartwatches. It's new application. Okay, now the app is installing. And it's installed already. Open, tap on open, and here is the QR code. You have to scan to download PETAL Maps on your smartphone, but if you own Huawei device, this is P40 Pro Plus, all you have to do is open App Gallery on your smartphone, search for PETAL Maps right here, and tap on install, and PETAL Maps will be installed on your smartphone as well. Okay. Now tap on open right here. Get started. Next, agree. Okay. Allow only while in use. Again, okay. Cancel. And now choose direction and navigate, for example, Figueroa. Add and start. Okay. And
navigating to Avenova Station, Limerick.
As you can see, there is already PETAL Maps on my smartwatches, and I can navigate my smartwatches on my wrist to Hypernova, to my favorite destination, Figueroa, sorry, to my favorite destination, and it's the same. I will show you. It's the same on the smartphone and on the smartwatch. So brothers, this was a quick tutorial how to get PETAL Maps on your Huawei Watch 3 smartwatches. It's very easy, very simple. All you have to do is go to App Gallery on your smartwatches, search for PETAL Maps, download and install the application, and the same you have to do on your smartphone. And that's it. So I do hope you ended up enjoying the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share the video, and as always, stay safe, wear the mask. You are the best. Thank you so much. And stay Fontech, bros. Thank you.
In the roundabout, take the second exit.
Tak jeď, tyjo. Já rozjíždím na trojáka, jako šílenec.